Hello, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto E32s. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings. Now, enter security and go to screen lock. Unlock it with your current password, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks. The first 2 are non-security, the other 3 are security. Let's start with the non, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe. Next, let's select pin. Then let's select password. And in the end, let's select pattern. When it's done, we can go forward to biometrics. And we've got 2 of them, fingerprint and face unlock. First, let's set up fingerprint. Tap more, agree, and now simply scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the power button multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now use the fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock and simply scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.